She moves on automatically to the top 10 because she is our People's Choice Award. Lucia!
My advocacy is to champion equitable cardiovascular care. As someone who has been diagnosed with rheumatic heart disease and has undergone operation at Philippine Heart Center, I know the importance of accessible health care. Expanding heart health care begins with fully implementing Universal Health Care Act or RA 11223. Heart disease is the top cause death here in the Philippines, claiming over 100,000 lives annually. Negros, home to over 2.6 million people, should have specialized cardiac centers and increase funding for indigent care. Strengthening our public and private partnership and encouraging local specialists to serve in regional hospitals can ensure every Negrensa has healthcare accessibility. As a mother and as a wife with real-life advocacies,
This could be your lucky evening. Who's your man? Pontevedra!
Is deeply personal, especially now as a mother in Negros Occidental, where tradition and community values hold a great importance. A woman's worth is often measured by appearance and societal standards. But as a mother, I have realized that the changes my body has undergone, like fluctuations in weight, shifts in shape, are not just natural, but a powerful reflection of love, strength, and resilience that define motherhood. I believe it is time to redefine the beauty in our homes and communities, not by the narrow standards imposed upon us, but by embracing the powerful, resilient bodies that we Negrenses inhabit. Every stretch, every curve, every stretch, every curve, we are powerful, we are beautiful, and we are enough. Thank you.
Award, Puro Pandan!
When I first entered the world of pageantry, I was bashed and I was criticized by so many people, and it is something that truly affected my mental health in a way that led me to advocate for women empowerment through mental health strength. Tonight, I carry with me the visions and goals for me to achieve a community full of positivity and champion voices that deserves to be heard, valued, and accepted. As I walk on the stage tonight, I live footprints of purpose and advocacy, and the legacy that even started when I first screamed for Miss Universe Negros Occidental. I am an empowered woman, and I am ready to conquer the universe.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's go somewhere south. Ilog!
As a daughter of a cancer patient, I am passionate about advocating for illness prevention and cancer awareness. In our province, access to healthcare remains a challenge, and some families struggle to have the proper treatment, especially in places in Negros where people need our help the most. So by focusing on illness prevention, we are able to educate families and communities to take charge of their health, especially in the early detection and the fight against cancer. Because I believe that by raising awareness and pushing forth and improved healthcare services, we are able to make a real impact. Because we Negresanos embody the true spirit of resiliency. Remember, we only have one body. It is our temple, so we should take care of it. And don't wait for illness to start valuing your wellness, because our greatest wealth is our health. Thank you.
From let's transfer to the north. Talisay!
I am Althea, and I am an advocate of alleviating poverty through education and sustainable livelihood. As someone who lives in a marginalized community, I've seen and experienced the daily struggles and pain of the people in my community. I believe that it is because the lack of employment opportunities due to inability to continue their education, even in public universities. Given that I am still in college and I don't have the capability to change their lives, I become an advocate of poverty alleviation and use this platform to support my mission, and my mission is clear. Use this platform to spark real life change and ensure that every Negrense have an opportunity to strive and succeed. Thank you.
How about giving a round of applause for Buddies?
A Negrosano is resilient, innovative, and empathetic, but we cannot ignore the fact that we too are not immune to the challenges and problems that we're facing today. One of the most pressing issues that we're facing today is the alarming rise of cases of sexual harassment, particularly affecting women and children. This is not just a problem in our province, this is a national crisis, a reality that continuously harms countless lives. As a candidate, I stand here not only as a representative of my province, but also as a voice to those who have been silenced. Let a Negrosano lead by example and be a beacon of change. Together with me, let's build a safer Negros, a secure Philippines, and a united, harmonious universe. Thank you.
How about giving a round of applause for Bago?
Ang kabataan ang tanging pag-asa ng bayan. That is what our beloved hero, Jose Rizal, said once. I am an advocate of youth empowerment, and this is not just a concept, it is a movement. As a woman who rose up not knowing her father and not having my mother around me, I only have my grandparents, and this life taught me to be the woman I am in front of you. I want all of the people in Negrense and Negros Occidental to be empowered, strong, and resilient to face the struggles that they have in life. As a woman, I stand here in front of you. I am a woman with vision, speak her purpose, and to leave this stage with history. Because I believe that I want not only the Negros Occidental to be stand here, and not only the children of Balibay will be given a brighter future. Thank you.
This could be your night. Cinco Silay!
As a candidate of Miss Universe Philippines Negros Occidental, it is an honor to share my advocacy that is true to my heart and can do the promise of profound transformation. My passion for dancing has taught me that it is more than just an art. It's a powerful catalyst that can do great change to our lives and to our community. As a Negrense, the values that I grew up with resonate deeply with what I have learned through dancing. And with Miss Universe Philippines Negros Occidental, we amplify our mission to create and foster positive change. With my advocacy, I can do great things by creating dance workshops that are accessible for the public and community programs. Together we can open doors to transformation, and we can do it united. So let us all unite as one Negros Island, where we dance with purpose.
Step forward because you belong to the Magic Circle of 10, and I am talking to you, Valia Gunig!
Imol, patay gutom. Yes, I received that call. As a proud daughter of an icon, I stand here tonight as a strong advocate of self-acceptance and equality. As we live in a generation where we've forgotten our roots, I am a proof. I remember how people laugh and mock at me as I embrace the color and the beauty of my identity. As you look at me now, I want you to remember me. I am an indigenous person, molded as tough as diamond and ready to conquer the universe. Always remember, we will never be named as Negrense or known as Negros without our ancestors. Thank you.
Who do you think will make it to the final cut? Ladies and gentlemen, La Carlota!
Our country thrives in agriculture, and so does our province. And as someone who grew up in a farming family, it saddens me to see how we are slowly transforming into an industrial hub, not out of progress, but because of ignorance and the lack of awareness and support for our farmers. Agriculture is the backbone of our economy, yet our farmers are often left behind and unheard. And with my advocacy, Binhi Kakaani, I aim to shine light on the environmental and systematic challenges that our farmers are facing in our province with the help of Miss Universe Philippines organization. I dream of our province to be a silver lining for our nation, leading the way in rebuilding and revitalizing our agricultural systems. Because our agricultural roots are more than just a livelihood. And by empowering our farmers, we are not just feeding our nation, but nurturing the very foundation of our culture and future. Thank you.
Miss Universe Philippines Negros, your time.